Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am refreshing my bird feeders, but I'm excited because I bought this new swing. A few years ago, I put a tiny swing out near my hummingbird feeder, and every year since, I have had the joy of watching hummingbirds stop to rest on it, and it's just really cool. They are really adorable. Our weather this week has been a little unpredictable, so I am just enjoying a cozy moment in my kitchen and making one of my favorite and simple meals, which is just meat and potatoes and some seasoning.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa.
I want to take this moment to thank you all so much for all of your kind comments and your warm welcomes. You truly have warmed my heart, and I have loved hearing from all of you, not only from here in the US, but also from some very special places around the world like Botswana, Africa, Dubai, Peru, the Philippines, and even Kenya. Thank you all for taking the time to leave these sweet messages, and also to you who have shared a little bit of your own story. It truly means so much to me, and I'm so happy that you're all here with me on this journey.
Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
Later today, I'm going to be making some liquid Castile hand soap, and this time I'd like to infuse some herbs, so I'm going to stop at Synergy and grab some of my favorites.
Well, take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the dream in the spring.
And just a quick little stop to see a house in Baxter, Tennessee, which ended up not being what I'm looking for, but I love driving through here, so it was a trip well worth it. I did have a couple of other houses I was supposed to look at, but those fell through. But I will be back out next week to look at some more.
The sweat from my brow and the glow of the fire pulled me home.
When I got home, I jumped on Facebook and saw that a couple of towns over there is a bear on the loose and has been spotted about 3 or 4 times, so I am using extra caution. The rain has caused Addie to hide under the couch again, but once the rain stopped, she was right back out and back to her shenanigans.
Hey, Addie, we're taking you want a treat? Oh, my goodness. I tell you, softener on that blanket.
Today I'm making my liquid Castile soap, so you see my baby gate to keep Addie out of the kitchen because of the lye, and I'm using my safety gear. I was going to remind you that if you ever make this to please be safe, and then I realized I was wearing short sleeves, which anytime you're dealing with lye you should wear long sleeves, so you will see I did eventually put a sweater on. have an outdoor closet on this porch that recently had black mold and got fixed right before I fell. And I'm finally getting out here to clean, and I'm excited because I'm going to redecorate this porch, but it needs a cleaning. It is going to get power washed, but in the meantime, I'm just giving it a little scrub. About a year ago, I purchased these rockers from a neighbor that was moving, and I want to sand them down and paint them white, but my sander is in storage. So I'm trying to see if I could just sand these down by hand, and I'm hoping to show you that on the next video, these being sanded down and repainted. I love these rockers. I want to see if my soap is ready to have the distilled water added, so I added some to water and shook it up, and if it comes out clear, it is ready. If it's foggy, it needs to be cooked more, but mine was ready. So I am just going to use my blender, blend this up, and some of the water that I'm going to add is going to be infused with some herbs. So that is what you're seeing here, and then I'm going to mix it and let it sit for a few hours on low. I'm adding just a tad bit of salt to help thicken up my soap batter. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Can I share with you all when my love for country started? Back when I was 18 years old, I took a road trip with my two sisters and their husbands. We drove from Illinois to Rhode Island and cut through Canada. Here was this 18-year-old girl, and other than cats and dogs, the only place I really saw animals, farm animals, were at the zoo. And I don't recall ever really seeing anywhere else. So we didn't really leave this. I didn't really leave the city for anything. And I just stared out that window for hours and looked at the fields of all the beautiful animals on the way there, just grazing. And it totally changed my outlook. And ever since then, I had dreamed of a country life for 30 years before I came to Tennessee. And I've now been here 5 years. It's been 35 years, and I'm in the country, but I'm not deep in the country like what I have dreamed of for all of these years. And that is one of the reasons why I am in search for my home. And if you think of me, I hope you would lift me up in prayer that the Lord will lead me to that perfect house. I'm so glad that you're all here with me along on this journey. This hand soap usually has the common cream yellowish color, but since I infused these herbs, it does have a more of a brown look, but I don't mind because I love these herbs. I got this recipe, I believe it's from Ellie's Everyday Soap Making. I will link her video in the description in case you'd like to learn how to make the soap. Well, friends, thank you for slowing down with me and for all the kindness you've shared from all around the world. I will see you on the next one. So until then, stay cozy.